This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Insert the ignition key into the lock, rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet, then clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and support it with the prop. Slowly unscrew the coolant expansion tank filler cap and allow any residual pressure to escape. Place chocks each side of the rear wheels. Position the jack head under the front subframe rear mounting bolt and raise the vehicle to increase clearance. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the adjacent chassis member. Raise the other side of the vehicle in the same manner. Position a suitable container beneath the left-hand end of the radiator. Using a flat-bladed bit or screwdriver, unscrew the radiator drain tap and allow the coolant to drain into the container. When the radiator draining is complete, close the drain tap. Reposition the container under the right-hand side of the engine, then slacken and remove the cylinder block drain plug. Refit and securely tighten the drain plug. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the expansion tank, bringing the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Start the engine, allow it to idle until it reaches normal operating temperature, then allow it to idle for a further 5 minutes. Switch off the engine and allow it to cool completely. Recheck the coolant level and top up if necessary. Clip the support back into place on the front panel, then firmly close the bonnet. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.